how to create Autoexec.cfg for CS2. First, you just have to right click CS2 and then go to Manage and go to Browse Files. And then here, what you're going to do is to select Game, then go to CSGO, and then look for CFG. Tap this one. And you must see this autoexec.cfg here. If you can't find it, then go to View, scroll down, go to Show, and then make sure that you tap this file extension and hidden items. Okay, so you should see that autoexec.cfg. If still you can't, then it's about time to create one. Right click, go to New, and then tap Text Document here. And what you're going to do is to replace this with autoexec.cfg. Okay, so remove this txt and replace with cfg. Now you can open this one. You just have to right click, open with, and choose another application, for example, Notepad. And then you can simply add any commands here. For example, you wanted to add a command like this, but this is just for an example, okay? So if you add command something like this, all you have to do is just select File and then click Save or Save As, and that's it. Now, to see if it worked, then all you have to do is to right-click Counter-Strike again. Go to Properties and scroll down and make sure that you see this, okay, plus exec, autoexec.cfg here. Once done, you can go back and play. Now, you have to make sure again that to really fix or to know that autoexec.cfg is working, you have to make sure that it is under Game, CSGO, and CFG. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.